Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete a page from PDF file. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to any of the search engine and search for remove PDF pages. So there are numerous tools that you can download and use, but I suggest you to use ilovepdf, which is a website. So you're gonna simply open this one that says remove pages from PDF, ilovepdf. Then you're going to select the PDF file. For example, I'm going to open this sample and you'll be able to see all of the pages right in front of you. So you're going to select the pages that you wish to delete. For example, I wish to delete page 2 and 3 and I only want page 1 to be there. So I'm going to click on page 2 and page 3. Now it says pages to remove 2 and 3 and there are total pages 3. And then click on remove pages and now it's going to remove PDF pages. So just wait patiently for that. And now it says PDF pages have been removed. Click on download PDF and wait for the PDF to get downloaded. Once done, you're going to simply open the PDF, and now when you open the PDF, you'll be able to see that this PDF only has one page. So that is how you can delete a page or pages from a PDF file. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.